give paper. We are all human. Even she don't even have Mama Nora not even get all it takes to give Enogie paper. You know get. You know, the paper never strong and she's not working. The paper never strong.
The right way they do that task for you. Women they deceive themselves for Facebook. Which soya berata they do that task for you for this country?
Now wow.
But you will not hesitate to say, oh, Mama, we never enjoy. When the time of enjoyment comes, you go and enjoy. When the time of doing the right thing comes, you go. Mama Nora, a document of Enogie. Now you in hang on. I am telling you because that's what I know.
Really?
Enogie, you need to go. That is, who go down. Who go down? We have the Luba energy. If we carry on in a beg Facebook or who if you carry and you give another woman, it go hard. The way good now. It will not go away.
She's prophesying.
I am telling you, it go away, my darling. Il y a Nora, it no go away. Why I not even want to live. I'm not gonna live a broad life here. No. How to live a broad life. Not so that they live a broad life, you will not live so. You people are talking stories inside your house that is very similar to other people's stories. It's not a new thing. But seeing you repeating all those things outside, it shows very big foolishness from both of you.
Hey, way. See insults.
For the very first time, when I can see Mama Nora Facebook, TikTok, wait, did they open match for TikTok? They talk. He just a lobo and rameni baba. Is Nora? And what for you?
Okay, now.
Who were why you my who we be Nora? My one I'm the when we be in it.
Obera your bijan.
Make way. What do you make when my darling? In a butter.
Ah, I
beg.
The hatred where Rita Kokobirite talk to this couple, is it for me? The bitterness and the hatred where Rita Kokobirite they address these people, where they call themselves friendship, is it for me? Now wow, the woto he loud. The bitterness and the hatred where they deliver this talk is on the high side.
To the verse, you know they look back. And before we call way, the way I take the worship for this people, man can't the ladder finish for your mind. Mama,
you are right. Enogie is not a generous person. Maybe Mama Nora was a generous person, but you know that when you are living with somebody, their lifestyle can change you. Their kind of person can change you. Can change your original, your kind of person. It can change you. With time, you will blend to their own type. Because you feel cheated. Maybe you are generous and they are not generous. Before you know it, you will start being like them. Acting like them. Because that's what they give to you. You want to give back. After some time, your own, you'll be fed up with your kind of. You'll be like, I'm on the giving side, but I'm not getting back. So you also start retrieving your own back. Like, you don't want to give back anymore. Wow.
Even to go resource bank, which was on the guy sleep the same bed. Matter not they finish for your mind. You know the simple say work with the mind. The way matter till they finish for person mind. But you see your own. Hey, Jimmy. Oh, my darling. Me not be like that. So you make call you, my darling. Well, my person when me I got to sleep the same bed. No good. No. I would have been a single mother long time. Told him my way. Long time.
But you were once a single mother now. Before you carry Kokobiri now. Which one be I should have been a single mother long time? You were once a single mother. Before you carry Kokobiri. Now Kokobiri be the first one you born for. I don't understand. Should I should have been a single mother lifetime. I see say you better pass the single mother. Like I said, the single mother, you not get all it takes to even take day. Not be you use desperation to take carry Kokobiri. Single mothers, real single mothers, they are not desperate. No. They want to settle back again. They settle for real thing, right? Real man. No desperation because they have gathered knowledge, understanding about everything. They have experience already. But you, desperation not gonna let you take your time to build you, to do you, to stand out and everything. You have to rush and carry kokobiri on circumcised now. Circumcised bola.
Easy. Matter not the finish for your mind, DJ Nora. And if we call it then, we never for a easy. Now you be. How you want to exist like that with this kind of mind where you get? You will just see flashy things. If you know say whether you know the see foundation. I'm not going to be me fancy this every day, if people they talk for Facebook when you
Mama Shine say the na fear of single mothers. They make una they pash, not be small thing. They pashy amo. I want to be. Aba say I get a man. Aba say I get a man. Carry nonsense. Or in replace of I get a man. He say who we pay bride price. Who we pay bride price. Now prison the person enter. Oh, okay now.
Correct people, social media who know what they are doing, they'll be talking about how people take they upgrade themselves. Now, waiting people they talk. Now they listen to all those ones, unless a saga. Unless a saga time when they come out when money just come. Money not be everything for this abroad. Status.
Retail money not be everything, but you use your mama to work money. To go do marriage without Kokobiri family. Without Kokobiri representative. Money not be everything. More than 1 year, you take use your matter, te play victim, te do cry, te collect money donation. Where enable you to buy tickets for yourself and Kokobiri to go do marriage single-handedly. Without no children to experience it, your children were left behind. Kokobiri no representative that came with him. Out of desperation, you went to do nonsense, mileage back of trash. Money not be everything. So you know that. And you didn't protect your mother's dignity. Really? They say talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. See how they talk? Not true before. Money not be everything. But do you know that? Do you make use of that word in your own time? To settle differences of you insulting Prophetess Grace and me and the husband and everything, to settle it out. Money not be everything, but you choose to throw your mother's shame and disgrace outside. When you arrested from Victor family, he cooperated with you. You even tasked him to pay, which we never did. We just wanted settlement. What did you do? You were adamant. Because you want to come and play victim. When you arrest from Victor family, you task them. All the expenses you spend, they paid you back. You even use what you recorded about them, what your father recorded about them, or your brother did. Use it to siphon money on social media. You love money and you're not quoting money is not everything. Frank Victor never wants you to make rubbish his family. He comply with you. We never ask you for anything. So just settlements, but you refuse. You use your parents to do caricature, to collect money. To sew agbada and do marriage with Kokobiri. You are not saying money is not everything. You, desperado like you. Go and sit down, my friend. Talk is cheap. Your talk is so cheap, I beg. You go sit down.
Before money, what is your status? Is you Nora? Person know they relax with ordinary even renew document. May say you don't get document for abroad. Now when you don't reach permanent, you don't hold passport for your hand. Oh man, rest. 9 person they say make I rest. Me I just use 1 year to bully social. Me I use 1 year to bully and me I take shop them. Me I use 6 months to shop them. Don't tell when I they donate. Now that one be the not the person where they carry 1 year they go.
You can say that again, Mama. Who wrote this? Let me see. Okay, Jenny says some women are married but single inside house. Now pash they do outside. No be lie. They over single. If I who single self even better pass them. Money is important in the relationship. Yes. Rita wait time Papa goes to me pool. Olodo. Nari Olodo. She Olodo finish.
It's a social they do bowl away in the future. That's what we be, eh? That's the way it be. The character where them money Nora. Okay, you need to really open eye and upgrade. To my upgrade at all, my mood when I am married. You never ready. If you really ready, even if you talk for Facebook, say Enogie offend you. Wait till you talk all lie. Area, if you talk say Enogie, may we do this. Or manakwe, Enogie, may we do this. People go the year to say, now the way I tell women, Nora put for grand, nice to be this one. Since you say Enogie, no get sense now, you get sense pass. At least I beg in a sense where they laugh, but a sense where the only place where they pass, and I will marriage or Matamama where they will have here. They will wedding your ton, we have Enogie, where they will have here, and no get with my hair.
In other words, he said Mama Nora senseless. She empty upstairs. See insults, God. See abuse. Wow. Eh?
The one where you can put for ground, where you can say, now, so we want person, no, they can say, no, I know we'll agree with person like this. No, they, I see a couple whole day, a couple, yeah, they want to be where you man, but what you man, where we live with you.
Hey.
If they break now, shop for food, now shop for food finish, now join entire live with you.
Hey.
Then the available saga. Now just begin to drag that for Facebook. Now some people now want to leave. It's not like that, my darling. It's more than that. You have the ability of really, Enogie really getting paper here because he deserves it now. Or maybe you want money. Their children, he deserves to get document long time. If that document don't enter Enogie, and for this social media, Enogie you can't use you get document, go say you want leave. Now that time you go really know whether women they verse for this abroad or they want the verse when you have done the right thing. Whether people go green. No get the air parade any woman or your married they be able to be up a man kuria feel pepe. Now Moya baby said. He will not even do it. From what we are seeing. They know even when liquidated, they don't get liquidated. Why are being your car being no be 5 children? Which woman in the right senses you see say they open and carry my way get 5 children does.
You say liquidate, they liquidate.
Don't allow Facebook people to deceive you. You know they.
So a person born liquidate.
Yeah, told you for 190 if one and B. Nobody they carry proof for say, I want to start to the bone for man. We don't get 5. You see, I want to enjoy life. You go to face me, face my children, they face 5 children for another place. Or maybe so we person they sit down think so. Yeah, na it be career. Me woman you know go me dollars me ma boy igbaro. Or go me go.
Wow, my people, not there here.
Women just carry this kind of emotional, nonsensical. One thing when I notice for you and Enogie, when it comes to live video, we are greedy by my people. We are reducing greediness to one. Enogie, I want to tell you one thing on this video today, my brother. You are very greedy. You greedy be. People, whether people notice that one about you, I don't know, but I know it about you.
He say you know about him. He's calling by name. He say Osadiaye, you greedy be, you too greedy. He say no that people know that about him. He say, but you know, not now, before. He say na greedy. Yeah, well, pretend that friendship go wrong.
Concerning you now, or concerning attention, I really said now. I know say that Mama Nora fe comment yes. I know it quite all right 100%.
Hey.
But you see you
Wow.
when it comes to that one, who are movies you with me? Ready no I am with him. Yeah, we going to regulate patients ye we down in hall, nothing. Who have a way
She get low self-esteem. Now who they call herself relationship
all this
therapist.
Facebook calculate.
What a shame.
2
Okay.
minutes of
Then
support.
she die with
To carry una video to go keep for his house, to carry una words of mouth and everything. Now in deal. Yes.
Oh,
Now in deal.
this is terrible.
But the reality of the matter is that 2 of you, if to say Mama Nora don't born 1, you don't born 2, you and Enogie 6. Ugbeso no giri ye Nora, he told him ugbeso imagine and Kiri Ahuwa. My men go dey born when they look on.
He said if they look there, he said a man go they born. If they look there. Why? Pretend friendship took many for social media. Hell!
Ignorant of what city what it baby. This is big ignorance. See today, you know the man where baby can only Dutch school say to even encourage the Dutch to say this is the school where I don't go. I get A1, I get A2, I get B1. You know even they nothing. One lay lady was from a big boy the street Facebook Enogie. What is this, my brother? What is this?
Say we the form big boy. Will not be.
Make way. Otime no pe wa confirm me one abey na your egorisha. Awa. Oya go se okaya gbe yo to. Eyo to okaya gbe. O iladin we oladin as a big man. No me say o pass me a big man in foundation go to.
Hey. Now wow.
Foundation on the ground. You say Facebook na money I see they make for Facebook.
Hey.
German don't depend on cash. This country does not run cash. No European country run cash.
They run waiting water.
Facebook money they pay you, you get cash, but Europe does not run like that.
They run water.
Europe is being run on installment, and installment is document.
And water.
That is how Europe is run. A life here is a life of installment, calculated life with computer. No.
Now wow.
It has nothing to do with cash.
Hey.
You bring your documents, everything you want to be okay for you. The feeling of even having it in your head to say I don't get document, because most of the time you see any small thing, working with Saga, I don't get document, that thing is a mental and emotional torment to you people. It's affecting you guys in your house, in your relationship, in everything. It does not allow you to enjoy your marriage. It can never allow you to really enjoy. Yes, because we are in a day now. Anything when woman want even talk, say you must not talk good as said. You must feel to say now because I don't get document, I trust and where this man they talk to me like this, or where this woman they talk to me like this. That is the insinuation of people who don't have documents. Even if you are not you are talking something else, they must think for inside their mouth say now because I don't get document, I trust and where this woman. If to say I get document, you forgot to me like this. That one is ordinary. It's already a barrier and a big embargo to that relationship. Now I trust and where say. The right thing
Mama Shai say, ladies, don't listen to this woman and don't be like Mama Nora, where see toxic relationship and still they born inside at her young age. No matter how many kids, there is love for you. That is it. You born not make you liquidate. You bump children, not make. I don't understand where this girl they get her thinking from. I not just get her with the kind of sense where she. I don't know. Can you say that? Say because you born number of children you liquidate. Who's wow? Now wow. Eh? And you can use that money to do your paper if you are not a liability. For Germany, if we really serious for document issue. How people for Germany, why not find Oyibo? Even though say you go sort am some money, you know how they do am. Or Oyibo will be say you go just do am naturally. If that person will really need business. If enough, you go 50 work. Money where they see for Facebook, why you don't gather and take pursue documents. Eh? If you really serious for life. There are many ways to get documents. There are many ways. Yeah? Ah, now wow.
The writing. The time when you are priceless, so rack or for a duro camp. When I enter in a house, when I enter. Immediately that paper be enter in hand. Even as they go, Oja first day contracting in a cabaret. Go work. Honestly, in an time where you don't have a little dialogue, Monacadia, a little got how they go. You go and walk.
Ew.
Say priceless the work since. It don't say they collect document. Long time. You yourself, you go and work. You see the spirit of say, and they collect money for Facebook. You have to drop it. This is not German. They don't know German men for this. German men are workers. Here we now. And they collect money for Facebook. It's not about guy. How much should they receive? Me, they receive 1,500 or 2,000 for Facebook. You, they receive 2,000 for work where they go. Where I want to go. Not be that one. Those people have greater benefits than you because they are living the country. This is the standard of the country where they are living. I mean, the country needs not to have you be anything for their home to be settled, for their life. Everything to be settled. You see, all these years where you just did, you know, waste since. Driving license no go don hold am for am. Una motor no go don hold am for am. Wa vie more. Living a beautiful life. You people are young. Okonomai ka marry na you. Okonomai ka biega nwa na you marry. Beautiful life. Why ignorant ya mweri abi street?
CSK even too big self.
Beautiful life. Now when they use ignorance, just say they drag, they go corner when I don't know. So yes.
5K for Spain, you go get paper.
Imagine one line money.
You know what to do.
If you know that, Borion Koto, I tell my tama when we more Borion Koto Maria Mata, my darling. It's very important. Emmanuel Saga Enogie, or Emmanuel Saga when Enogie, me not follow that one. Mona do the right thing. Why would the right thing when I'm a problem family? Why? Then why I need a Facebook? Fear not the let person tell the truth. Emma, what are you wearing? Walk on your home inside your
Lady Jenny, that's 9K. Now fake life. If I not get you should they get 9,000 euro a month for Facebook. You not go turn to professional beggar on every market day. Fake life. I not get don't celebrate passport for this social media. Passports. But it was fake. Oh, you they get 9,000 euro for Facebook. At least 1 month you spend that money. You will spare and you not go spend them. Use that pursue paper. Germany, there are many ways to get documents. Just like some parts of Europe. If you know how to follow the due process, the normal process, there are other shortcuts to get. Why not use money? Why? Now same thing they talks then donate 6K for Rawe the money he want build house post for Facebook. Why using Mama Nora suffering? Okay. Now they hear
you people need to go back to drawing book and work on your home. That una house una just day, so me una go work on her. If una really want it together again. Husband and wife matter. It dey hard before person fit dey talk. Why you go yam again? Why you yam yesage ba baby no wa fi yola dia? No suke go wa o.
Enogie not seriously. Who serious they know?
What you people are doing is wrong. Imagine you JJ Nora. I don't know say that's why you be my darling. Say how when you be since days when I dey watch you since days now. I just say Jimmy. Sometimes just they looking for live video if they talk. You say no. I don't know what you just climbed your head. When you take it easy. When you just climb your head, I don't know. And not they go even say, I want make my wife come. You have done with her. You see this thing when you tell me so, make my wife come make her tell her. I know saying I'm public today because Enogie is a very big comedian. But when it comes to marriage, it's not about doing comedy outside for people to say, oh, you are a very good man. No, all those things don't be waiting. If they make woman, they irritate woman. If na woman wey not the feel explain herself or tell the whole world, wetin dey really dey pass through, go come dey bubu like a bubu yeke like this mama Nora, you come turn out to bubu yeke. Wey go be say if you go outside, you go fully safe. It's not about playing love because comedians want to play. It's not marriage, not be only comedy. When you have done that Facebook comedy, they really do the comedy for inside house like that. Is it the way you talk? Is it the way you do? Is it the way you do? They do you priceless where they make your body do. Because I not see and say you get what you they really they do Enogie way they salo your body. Now you said they jump out. What you just going away now wasalo with me? There's nothing like they go break man go come back. Enogie. Do it, my darling brother. If even you say you leave Mama Nora, say you don't want me to day again. You see this mentality of I just see me for Facebook and go walk, drop it. No woman go like her. You know the sweet woman who ain't only one go. I am telling you. What is it that you are doing on Facebook, Saga? All your money you don't go assuming now. You know they make woman they respect. Naturally, it get one kind of natural respect where they follow and when man go walk, they come back. When anyway na matter, but it can matter. Jibeni obi bukoko my darling, or bukoko baby. When man go walk, he go come back in the evening. Wife go know say that walk in the comfort. Even if you don't give her that money, get respect where they follow and they come from the throne of grace. They respect no wali le here on the sun. He just get time. Yes, you get respect where they follow and respect no lele. Wait, be say man go he go come back. Now say it's be for woman for this abroad. Don't be able to go now. Anybody name winner, any respect with be partner away. Warowa. Even total you why depression ya born awa. Now depression and they carry they go because small thing and the first thing. And we born his own is already closed, no activity. You can't sit there inside house just join her. You don't go and work and get that experience and carry it to your house. It's not good.
When I thumbs up the video, lovely people. Don't forget to thumbs up.
You people are stressed out. Enogie and Mama Nora, you two of you are stressed out.
Come.
It's stress we worry one. Why you was for no reason? It's stress we be say ignorant we no reach anything. I don't cause.
Say na stress for their life. Stress we be say they use their hand cause to themselves. Wow.
I understand at this stage, the stage where it was on this, so it's a very, very. You get the way it be. This one, even you, this stage, when the stage where they follow another woman, you have to go and sit down and do a sober reflection.
Sober reflection. Oh God.
This one on the stage where they think about it. No, you do Enogie.
Way.
Because you are going to bring a very big problem to another person.
Okay.
Where sit down, you
know. Okay.
That's what I see before Mama Nora. This one on the stage, no person they say, you see prick full everywhere. You say waiting. Me when me know for this abroad, that uhe way no get they do since he ain't do bole. Just to come and bolo it and go. They don't have anything to do with you. So now. In when I'm for the more a mon of your dancing of your kidagatin and the ina who you hurry now joy pants. The one where they bash before every day go consider. Oh, you want to bolo and make it go.
Okay.
Who can get body where they want to do all those things? And this morning, you see that police when people they call. See, if you start calling police for your man, you know will let finish again. And forgiveness be hard. For Balibinati, police where they call for each other for his marriage. This abroad, we want to start that thing. I want to call the police for you, especially when people go around and I say that man don't get people. You people will turn that into a threat. You will turn that into torment. The torment where another person where they are saying no go even do to your own husband. Now you yourself you can't do to them because of say you have documents you don't have. Ha! Ije Nora. My sister.
Hey, say the mind of Mama Nora strong go. Mama Jenny said, Enogie disappear for 3 days. Go party, come back. House, they complain, say everywhere dirty. Just for 3 good days, oh. That's not right now. As a family man, it's not right. No, not good.
Now that torment you yourself will come and do to us. I want to call police. Why do they call police every time for Enogie?
Because they beat her. Violence.
Any small thing will just carry this thing come and you begin call police.
Violence too much.
Police will come drive and go outside. Me don't already know. Say none of them is a prank. They do See our children they cry yesterday night for video.
Oh.
See our children they cry yesterday night for video.
And so.
You people should not turn the emotions of people where you love you now. You now can't turn out to gain for social media. It's not good.
Ah, wow.
They don't even have words to defend you people.
What you want defend for here?
They don't even know
What you want defend for here, Rita? I don't understand.
their own they said they go be shame. Not because they never see that kind of thing before. But because they can they know they carry their problem every time when they spread them for streets. Marital problem. You see the reason why they always they talk for live video. I will say some people will think I don't know what I'm saying. I will say illiterate. I won't try it. People should know how to choose very well.
So you're not calling the Enogie Mama Nora illiterate. Since you hear this illiterate for Lolo Max, you know they talk one word without no measure illiterate. Your friendship them. Now they call illiterate now. Tomorrow they call you call your illiterate. And you they mingle with them. Sedekia now stack one. No go school. Jumbo says no see when you put any of your children for school. You dey call the illiterate tomorrow. Whereas they be your friendship, oh. They are your friendship, oh.
To try for relationship. Have one. I want to be what be illiterate. No, I feel Ramzan.
Oh.
I go be like not away you get spoil.
See the way they downgrade them. See how you are downgrading people you call your friend. Now wow. Don't call the illiterate joints. Upon all the name we don't call since.
Wahala. Afira. No small thing when person go sit down, just talk. How I need to understand the all the everlasting story. It goes on to everlasting story. Why am and you people you don't even that thing now. I'm not going to do and finish me Nasabi. Why you not going to drag down? Why do I tie? Why I rubbish it? Go watch photo the lowest. Oh my God. Do you people sometimes sit down to listen to what you do to yourself? Enogie and Mama Nora,
Oh, wow.
you force people to come and talk into husband and wife matter. So now you take a side, not by you take a side. We were both of one. Now they force that thing. This one will come and come get hatred for that one. The other one will come and come. What are you people doing? What's the la la wa? Illiteracy no good. Enogie, I hear say you go school for Nigeria. Which kind of school you go, my brother, where you don't feel activate for abroad? That way school where you in Nigeria, I don't understand. Now some person tell me, say you go school for Nigeria, but that they activate it. Into the woman you marry, you cannot activate it. Your own and make your entire life video just carry kind and know. Enogie, do you know what life video have turned you to, my brother? Life video have turned you to what you don't know.
Yeah.
Your acts on social media are very shameful. When it comes to money and social media,
he said the heart of Enogie on social media is very shameful. When it comes to money, when it comes to blah blah blah, many ay Jesus. So the heart, you know this truth. Rita say the heart of Enogie on social media is very shameful. You people are forming friendship, pretending to one another. Hey, the way you take blast these people, sha. The mind when you open and not understand. Friendship in pretense. None of they do. Friendship in pretense. Yeah.
That's what that video have turned you to.
Say his heart is
pick your pieces, Enogie. Pick up your pieces.
Ah, God. Oh, wow. Hey, Mama Shine, do you hear that? He said the heart of Enogie, his attitude on social media is very shameful. And these are people that are forming friendship to one another. Hey, bestie, paddy. Ah, God forbid. God forbid.
Pick it up. Lawo, you people should stop all these things.
Oh, Auntie Lillian says, since where sister start school, everything and everybody don't initiate. I'm telling you. And now Lolo use this thing to beat her. Say she be initiate. Since she starts Emma Baba school, she said she they go for Germany for handover. Everybody na initiate. Everybody na initiate. As far as Rita Crocro is concerned. The moment she hear that word, where Lolo use that word to beat her, say she be initiate, make she bring certificate. She they claim to be a nurse, bring certificate. Now there she copied that word. Since then, nobody Rita Crocro never saga call initiates. Anybody she saga, she must call the initiates. Can you imagine? Oh, Baba, we go remember the year where Rita go a squigari for handover. We must all hear her for body. Whether we like it or not, we must be an initiate. Because Rita carry bag, go start school will not get name. Okay, we hear.
It's not just good at all. Go and see my WhatsApp cry everywhere. Since yesterday, make I play one for you, maybe listen. People are crying. You people didn't know that. You settled down to create a good family, or you say una married. I don't see the way people just celebrate it una happy for marriage. But when my yaya took me marriage, I'm not took me for your now do you celebrate? How you put you on Facebook?
He said they say they want to do marriage. People celebrate them. They say they want to do marriage. People backlots. And which day? Yeah, 3 days ago. Yeah, Rita. A day before all this saga starts for Enogie and wife. Rita don't boast. Saying they already saw your cloth come from Nigeria. Say Enogie marriage cloth, you don't saw you come from Nigeria. That day they go see him. This and that. And unfortunately now, marriage not go hold again. According to what they tell us. That one just pepper body because Rita here body take back loss. Pepper them friendship take back loss and Nana they say marriage will not hold. Rita money now They say, oh, maybe shame not go let her draw the cloth money from them. The paper, but everything draw inside. When she say they lash them so. She they lash them. Oh, Baba.
Can somebody please help me with my charger? This machine gone off. At the end of the day, they'll say marriage day October, they put marriage for grand.
Okay.
Una just spoil everything.
Okay.
Una not even they think.
Okay now.
Me, I never see house where people know they quarrel before. Asha, what's the day you are, Mama Nora? Why you wait a marriage?
Insult. This is insult too much. Well. Maya. You see Asha, what's the day Mama Nora? Why she can't enter marriage? Who a person enemy not fit beat person like this. A person friend a beat person like this. Oh, sometimes enemy will come better past friend. Sometimes enemy go better past friendship. Okay, now we dey see so.
Wetin make you enter? They say anybody wey wan fuck me if he come now. Because of attention. What kind of useless attention is this one?
Okay now. Yeah.
What kind of useless attention is this? A man like the Enogie or a greediness of who a man like Enogie. You don't think about where what is important in the country to do first. I listen to you. Everything no concern any video is completely clueless out of the real way that you live in the web.
Prettily said for this, Rita is saying the truth. I'm not saying a lie. I'm not saying a lie, my sister.
It's out. If person, a young woman like Mama Nora can't get 4 children for a semester, that is very stressful. You people don't know what she's passing through. I know. But the kind of that they underrate person we're supposed to give una very vital information, where una supposed to need one go tell you yourself. You know good. You know why you are yapping. Lady B and B did that side. I really don't need to move for. Only the other one, they don't even know how to lash you with that would have coached you. You live everybody the right way. Because of social media, it's not like that. Why do you mean wrestle? When I'm going to think, I'm going to go me suffer.
My people, God will bless my for my patience. Now do well. You go fit tolerate a we where she not marry a doma.
When I see me, everybody go buy marriage plot. Marriage. Are you boy a cocaine? What happen? You tell my man or they say, hey, you see the marriage, no fair do marriage. What do you do marriage for when you are quarreling inside the house? Every day. Every day. It's not something to say once in a blue moon. Every day. Almost every day. You don't do marriage in such a situation. Is marriage a competition?
Oh. See, now. Why God. There's a person friend. Now they tell person man to smell. But why is she saying it? Why did she waste all this long to be saying it? The wrong time. If she was a good friend, a genuine friend, she see their lifestyle out there on social media. Why didn't she bring up this good advice? Caution them about it. Why now? Friend will go see say they go the wrong direction. He not tell you say my sister, my brother in the wrong direction. No, when you already fall for big hole. You call it, you say, you don't know say that place whole day. You don't know say that place not good, but you see and say they go through, you not talk am. Now wow. Even marriage, say whether that marriage na competition, this one person will say, it form happiness, knowing their situation that marriage carrying a whole of 7,000, be almost 1,000 euro is not worth Enogie need now. If you feel like paying the dowry, you can pay it the way they just do it for us that they find are good. But what's the extent of carrying cloths, carrying all of thousands of euro? Now you not get paper. There is time for everything. Why did she being their friend tell them the raw truth before now? When already things have gone bad, now she's not saying it. That is an hypocrite friend. That is an hypocrite friendship. We don't need it. This kind of friendship, you don't need it. I don't need it. Friend that will see you going the wrong way, he will pretend like they didn't see you. He will even be waiting for you to fall, so that they can talk, so that they can say their mind at the wrong time. That'll not be friendship, my people. Tell me to my face. Friendship, no matter how hard is the truth, tell me when I needed it. Correct me when it's right. Not when the mess is already been done. Not when everything has gone bad. Not when everything has gone sour. It's too late. Why are you telling now? Why are you telling now? Hypocrisy of the highest order. Rita cannot tell them not to do it because they are not babies. Why is she saying it now if they are not babies, my lady? She should have kept her cool. If they are enemy, people that don't like them, people that they have offended, pour these things out, fine and good. Because enemy will not come and tell you you are going the wrong direction. It's your friend that is supposed to tell you. So of what use all this talk is going to be for now? Of what use it will be now? Or since their error is now everywhere, you want to come and speak. When you were a friend with them, why did you call them Ido? To let them know all these points. To give them good advice. To tell them the area they are going that is not right. What will touch you? What will touch you? Doing things at the right time. When you do the right thing at the wrong time is of waste. It's of no use. But when you do something at the right time, is the best. It's the best. That time will be useful. But now it's not useful. It's not useful. Because I can remember I told my friend something like this. She not they talk to me again today. Because she not mature. Because she not mature. You did your part. Don't feel guilty about it, my beautiful lady. You did the right thing. Your conscience is free, is clear. God sees your heart. You did the right thing. How she reacts foolishly. Charges, it's not a problem. It's not your problem. But you did the right thing after all. That's what matters. God sees that you play a very good role and you did the right thing by telling your friend something that she's doing wrong. She refused to take it. It's okay. But your conscience is clear. You don't have guilt. You don't have guilty conscience because you did the right thing. So be it. Later, that friend, a time will come, she will remember you. She will realize and say, hell, I wish I listened to my friend. Oh, she will start regretting. But you will not know. You're no longer there. But mark my word that one day she will remember you. That you tell her is of good, she will remember you. Tell people you call friends all truth all time. Don't pretend. If they take it, if they don't take it, it's okay. But they will remember you when time comes. When the error is being done, they made that biggest error, they will now remember you. What to advise them about.
Is it a competition? This is absolutely ridiculous. Waiting on the proof. It's ridiculous to the end.
Please love and like the video. Love and like, guys. Help me to thumbs up. Lovely, wonderful people.
Enogie want marriage to work in his own way. Mama Nora want marriage to work in her own way. I know you want to work. Two people with different foresight about what marriage is. Let me say this one the goal of this one is the goal of this one. Two people, this one then you go waiting marriage. This say I marry and you lawyer. If I dey talk to you, you just lawyer, you respect. Then you see they do your a big kind of life. Why I want work? Why I want do this one? Then waiting why I want just see they different. Why marry about such a situation? Don't do that. No way. You need to walk. Nora, put yourself together. If you do this, believe me, you'll be happy. Nora, why you, Mama Nora, will turn to Enogie for your paper to come out? You have to become the man while the man becomes the woman.
Oh, I need to read this comment. It's very important. I just cited it. Lillian said, not be everybody where donates for them, like them. Marriage where witches and wizards donate puts. Now so it they be. Lady Shine now respond. Even before the witches and wizards donate, they're not they quarrel like this. Before. Because me not get time for victimhood and shifting blame. Okay. Then Lady Lillian now rose. Not blaming anyone, just using it as a reference. What do you expect from two who does not do anything, staying at home from morning till night, and they have all these enablers giving them money without working for it? Of course, they will misbehave. Exactly. Nah, not be everybody where you should donate money for they like them. Some swear put for the money. I said it here, even it wasn't yesterday. Some swear lay causes on that money. All the nyama where they their life, all the negativity where they their life, they transfer into that money and give to them. There's wickedness in this world though. But they are be quarreling, but they used to quarrel and they will come back. Maybe this one they will still come back, but something negativity has piled up on them. You before some give them that money, you know the shrine where they carry that money go. This really is true. You know some people will be their enemy, pretending to like them. Do you know the shrine they carry that money to? Different altars before sending it out to them. It's true. But the fact they quarrel, yes. But they add more to what they had before. True greed of beggy. You can transfer whatever that is on you. God forbid, negativity that is on someone, you can transfer it into money and send it out. Yeah. It happens.
Why Enogie become the woman? Okboto, Okbolo, Okbokma, Ohokmo. He go wash, he go clean, he go cook, he go do everything. Why Mama Nora will be working? Because she have a document already, but she has to drop everything. The benefit that she's supposed to get from government is sacrificing and making it better. Even Enogie is even coming the nearest picture to come and give you all the sacrifice back again.
Rita, do you look Enogie like someone that will work to feed a woman? Do you look that Enogie like someone that can make such sacrifice for a woman? How will Mama Nora work? With those small children, the senior one 4 years, the rest are younger. Small children. How many hours should you work with those small children? Enogie will live. I don't even know. I beg. I don't even know.
Coming. All body here anyway can stay. This sacrifice.
You get my way they give back 10 times 10%. You get my way they give back. Not be all man. You sacrifice for you go get back. Not be all. Many the moment they start with their 2 feet, they will throw you under the bus and disappoint you. Not be all men. You sacrifice for you go pay you back. Na lie. Go dead there for you. Na lie. Not be all, eh?
Now that get document the sacrifice for the other person. Enogie the way bona. Oh, my name be.
My beautiful lady say you are right, mommy love. Now so, and this is a Rita where say she have experience in that area. Rita, you sold an unoccupied building with bike and give to a man to travel back abroad. Your boyfriend, what did he do? The moment he get to Germany, he frustrated you. He turned back on you. That is a good example. You have experience in this thing. You have experience in this thing. It's now may you sacrifice for you go get back. I pray. I'll be all, eh?
You have when you are doing all this sacrifice when I talk so again, Nora, you go remove now so I go do and you go come run away from me tomorrow. You see all those thoughts, they are all negative thoughts where they really destroy marriage for this abroad. Okay. Marriage or if I don't do this one, if I don't work or I don't sacrifice, you go come run leave me. No, don't talk about those things.
Many women have experienced it. Many have not. But they know 1 or 2 friends that have experienced it. Are you getting me? Like, for example, when I was in Nigeria, let me say a little of my story. When I was in Nigeria, when I was a girl, grown up, I was in SS2. The guy that disvirgins me, the only guy I dated in Nigeria before I traveled out, only one, the one that disvirgin me. We dated for some years, yeah, before I travel out. Okay. Then when I came abroad, I didn't date nobody. We were dating on phone. Always call. No, that time there's nothing like call. That time you use phone booths to call. That year, there's nothing like calling. You just recharge your phone and be calling Nigeria direct. No, there was nothing like that. Or you buy card. You buy ash. What some I can't remember the number. You use card, or you go to phone booth, or you go to business center to make call. We were dating online, always calling, always reaching out. In fact, the money I use in spending to call that time, it was enough for me to build an upstairs because we were really in love. Yeah. What happened? What prevented me not to bring him abroad was friends that was closer to me that brought their boyfriend abroad that got disappointed by them. Discouraged me not to bring him abroad. After some years, I have to take my decision that, you know what, let's go our separate ways. I'm tired. After dating online for like 9 years or 8 years plus, then I told him, you know what, I'm done. I can't do this no longer. I'm not getting no younger. I want to do if I get anyone else, I'm moving on. I'm getting married. That was it. That's how I move on. I didn't want to be a victim. I learned from the victim because people that was surrounding me that I know then that brought men, their boyfriends, their lover from Nigeria to abroad. 90%. The moment they got here and got their papers, they ran away. They left those ladies. And me, I have to pick my senses from it to say, you know what? I can't bring no man to Europe. That is how I discouraged myself and I disconnected from that, my first love. What did I did? I learned from the victims. I don't want to be victim. I don't want to be the victim. I disconnected the relationship and I move on with my life. That's it. So the same with women that will want to make sacrifice for men to stand their 2 feet, but they will don't want to do it no more, not because they have already experienced it, but because those they have heard about that did it, that never get favored by that, those that did it, that were disappointed, that regretted it, they want to pick their lessons from that to say, you know what, I'm not going to go out of my way to sacrifice for no man. I just want, you have yours, I have mine, we come together. That's of ahead of, oh, I have to build you, I have to upgrade you, I have to do this. They don't want to do it. Don't blame them. That's why I said my own little story. I didn't bring my boyfriend, my fiancé then, abroad because he engaged me before I travel out. I didn't bring him abroad because of the people that I get to know that time, that was disappointed by their lover they brought abroad. I have to pick my sense and my lessons from there. I say, you know what? I won't waste my money. I'm not bringing nobody abroad. Let me move on with my life. The distance thing has already been there. We have been dating over the phone for 8 years plus thereabout. I say, you know what? I can't take such risk. And I move on with my life. I didn't fall victim. I learned from the victims. That is life. You must not be a victim. You learn from the people that fall victim of that circumstances. You learn from them. You now check it out. This person, because you are the one that know the person. Is he going to change? Is he going to give such attitude? Is he going to disappoint? You now check it out, balance them, and take your decision. That is how it works. That is how it works. Me, I didn't fall that victim. Out of all our setup that time that brought their boyfriend abroad, it is only one that stayed. The rest of them, they ran away. Out of all our setup that time, it's only one that walked. I'm not even sure, because over the years I've not heard from them. Like more than 8 years. I don't know if they are still together. The only one that survived, I don't know if they are still even together, because it's been long I didn't hear from them. So the rest of them, it was like after months they ran away. It's after 1 year. No one stayed with them up to 2 years before they ran away. So what are we not talking about? You learn from people that are fall victim in that circumstances. You don't wait to be a victim, to fall victim. You learn from people's stories, people's experience. You learn from it. So that's how it works. 4 kids, no appreciation. Na paper you go appreciate. Oh, they are not worth it. Only 1%. Oh, speak pidgin, nice sweet pass. Okay, no verse though. So now what happen be that? Oh, I know when they can fall victim of bringing boyfriend abroad. I for do on the money day, but because of the people who don't fall victim, when I see now, I use my tongue count my teeth. One, I begin use my tongue count the teeth where. Now I say, you know what? I know go do. We date for phone over 8 years. I tire now. Say, you know what? I not cheat on her one day. Now say, you know what? I'm done. I think I'm not growing younger. I need to move on. And so we take share Gary. Although he didn't accept it, it was tough. He fainted. He was admitted. He was broken. Me, I really need to move on, because I didn't want to cheat on him. I'm very straightforward person. When I'm in, I'm in. When I'm out, I'm out. That's me. But why did I do that? Because of the people that surround. I knew then that fall victim about that. I said, you know what? I don't want to be victim. I don't want to take risk. That time, maybe to bring person that time 10,000 euro, 8,000 euro, depend on the connection. I say I know they do. That money I go use and plan for my life, invest for myself, do 1 or 2 good things for myself, than to go put on for take use and play gamble. Bringing man na gamble. Is it that you work or you not go work? Is it that he enter or you not go enter? Is it that he work or you not go work? Or is it that he favor you or you not go to favor you? That's the way it be. That's the way it be. You know, you don't wait to fall. In my life, I don't like to fall victim. When I see things that happen to people, I will go indoor, go meditate, go think it out, go calculate. I don't want to be for victim. I hate mistakes. I want to learn from those that have been there. I want to learn from others. I don't want to be the victim. I want to learn from the victims. That is how it works. Wise women learn with people's story, not being a victim. Exactly. People build mansions for men when they where they today. Oh, where they today. I beg you. May I go carry water? Me, I belong.
No way.
I beg lovely people. It remains me. I go carry water. Mo finish this. Talk.
You lost your marriage for this abroad where you come to single mother. Now this talk, 9 talks. Any small thing, the small sacrifice that they make, they'll come put on for man till they sing. Nobody like it. Even you, even me that is talking, I don't like it. And you may I know it. Don't turn it to a song in your mouth. The environment is no longer conducive for me. I need to leave it for you. That is exactly what is destroying a lot of marriages in this abroad. You give person paper, and you say David say that you give her paper. Any small thing, quarter now, what time they finish? Now me go walk, now me give you paper, now me do this one. No, not the children, but you need to work to activate it. Oh, what? You go calm down, finish.
My lovely people, you see,
Hey.
these things. Rita said that people do things, they want to announce it, is tiring, is disturbing. When people do good, they want tell you, they want remind you they do good for you. You know what? On that case, people when they remind, say, you know I did this for you, you know that they are ungrateful, they are not appreciative. Appreciation is very good. Appreciation will strengthen you to do more. Even God, the creator of heaven and earth, that is why we thank him, we praise him, we adore him. We sing praises to him. To do more. What prayer cannot do, praise, we do it. What am I trying to say? Some partner or anybody, it can be your mother, it can be your father, it can be your brother, it can be your lover, it can be your sister, it can be anybody. Whatever they are doing for you, be thankful, thanks them, talk about it. Oh, my sister, this is the way you do. If not be you, this work when you fight for me, you do well. I dey have money today, better office today. I get money today. Now you work me. Now you give me the connection for that work. Now you give me connection for that contract. Oh, my wife, you see these children when you give me. God will bless you. See if I find children now. My wife, if I come up for us, we they maintain the house. Everywhere go they scent good. Everywhere go clean. My wife, you do well. My wife, the way you they cook. I appreciate. You're not lazy for cooking. Appreciation, they're very good. So remind people of their good. It strengthens them. Now, what I they teach my children with that. Appreciation is very good. Don't say, oh, I know what you do for me. You keep out for me. You never talk about it. That the person want to know, say, you know what he do for you. When you have never talked about it, you have never appreciated the person. You have never say, give them that accolades. How you want make the tell no say you know. You see when see Rita talk. Say person do good. No, you don't need to talk about her. I know. If you they talk about her in the feast from no. People January to December they can never talk about the good you did for them. They can never appreciate you for it. At least once in a while, once in a blue moon, for husband and wife, it's good to appreciate one another. As friends, any good you do for each other, it's good to appreciate one another. It has this strength. It will strengthen that person to even do more. Even as Christ, when you praise God, you appreciate him, you thank him for all his goodness and mercy upon your life. He will continue to do more. You thank him for his protection. He continue to protect you. He will do more and more and more. Now, so you want to be appreciation goes a long way. You know, giving one appreciating one another. Talk about the good people do that are close to you. My sister, if not be you, where connect me with this man. As maybe by night for still single. Anything people do for you, talk about it to them and appreciate them. Even though it's just once in a blue moon, it's okay. It's okay. He say no be Mama Nora make am father. Say he first get pikin for Nigeria before. Oh, you see ungratefulness.
And
now operation, that woman saying table. Operation. One person don't do operation, but they not complete like that again. Operation. This ungrateful men. If not be say we women, our children, they don't even want, some men don't want to even born for, to go labor, go take that risk for. Although, now our pikin we born though. How can you say that? Say not be make a father. Father of one, and father of 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they say, father of 1, and father of 2, 3, now they say, oh, it's a plus. It's a plus, my people.
Because I say something to the quick you to beat woman the quick you. You know go touch her, you know go beat her. Who create environment in the no setting when the people Latin. Huh? Yes. All these things are what you people are even supposed to do before you talk about marriage. Then now this one, these ones are the basic where they talk so. Baby mama, baby papa, Yahweh. All these ones, now they try marriage, now they try relationship, tried and tested. Not because of saying, because I never married, I've been a cause and way the face. I've been because I go your own. Me where they talk to you, so I use belly work for this country. Because a benign laguna, a woman, okay, do it to the event, you're going to do one, I can do it to the permanent. I work for this country for good 8 years, 5 years, 60 months to collect my permanent. Our winner. This is Germany. Oh, one in Nigeria a day. Or when a social like 24 hours social go come go enter, then they look and Germany is a mirror. They place mirror in your houses. Social they enter that house. What do you define we want to show? Why you not go there? Now so wait, you are move big go there. Where's the work benefit? Because they know what is going on. They will not want to give you paper. One person they shop at if they shop by social for they give another person paper while they register your social and your core. That is why they close that road. But it's you that will not do the right thing. All these things will be the talk, so they are very important. I tell you, Mama Nora, the first insult Enogie, Mama. Maybe you imagine born at them, maybe Satan. Satan, remember saying, my darling. First, you just talk to you what you bought, what you give. I say, I watch her video for TikTok today. They cut and pass through everywhere they go. Even if I was so disappointed.
Yeah.
Very, very disappointed.
Tell me something.
Now, so Mama Nora mat, you
be a mentor now.
You just let drag your family.
Maybe she learned from you. Rita Kokobiri, she learned from you. Like, you know, so you the mentor. You are a mentor now, Shu.
Don't be saying that even in Enogie way, you like attention any and I even drag your family go outside or drag you go street. Now you just say drag down go streets. You acting like being in your streets. Enogie no be even be violent benin. My wife violent benin man no son. No enjoy where my darling.
For abroad. Yeah. Go enjoy.
It's very wrong.
Man not supposed to beat woman now. Not right.
And another thing, comparison when you do Mama Nora, not just good. I hear for your mouth, you say na so when you get the can't talk the something, you can say you know what's no worry na me. Emi na you waka be Facebook or what's no way. Everything that you on the top of Facebook, na inside your ass all of the just for on the happen. Even what's no worry na me. Even what's no worry na me. Even Nora, yari contract no ya so no na no say mo and no get no ba we mo. This is how Germany is.
When I hear the parable when she talk, he said, "Oh, sisi no doe for Germany." Not true. He said, "Oh, sisi no doe." He said, "A woman, they shoot gun for her husband. Now, woman, they carry the load of the family. That's what it means. Now, woman, they use the head, do the suffer head for man. I believe it's just so crazy. Hey, no wonder this girl. You know, that is what you have, you give. You can't give what you don't have. No wonder Junkie play her central. Black boys play her central. Na Kokobiri can play her so. Okwofio sisi no doe. Really? What happened to the man's hand? Now man supposed to feel sisi no hand. Now man supposed to pave way for the wife. Eh? No, wow.
That song with the sing. Or say, now we tend to yana we do we wanna here. That song with the sing of what you see no do Germany man when it comes to father shaft. That one won't do.
Eh?
No do.
You know so they do for there.
Okpa no mebe ko no mebe. Okpa na ye mu na admi ye bigo. Ama e we ni ye varu wa ye nwina. They know they walk. What?
Hey. Now wow, things they happen, sha. This abroad then, things just they.
So some of you mistaken.
This abroad then. Some Nigerian women don't just turn everything upside down. Hey, in the beginning it wasn't so. Some abroad women, you twist everything, change everything upside down out of desperation. Desperation for man, desperation for Bola. Eh? Some abroad women, they're sweating, sha. People like Rita Kokobiri. Okwofio sisi no doe. Really? Eh? Jesus Christ. Mama Shine say na wetin Mama Nora do wey affect her so wey Enogie refuse to work now or school exactly that time wey they date he talk na he say Enogie no fit do fabrica work Enogie no fit do company work for what that time she still believe on Igbiaga money now no say time go come things go change. Hey, now wow.
Making money, what money? Money that does not have any guarantee of future. What kind of money is that? The money that will not allow you to grow yourself to anybody, to anything. Is that money?
Hey.
Money will not let you go language course. Money will not let you go language school, go put yourself for school. Even you are not sacrificing for yourself, Nora. Did you know that people are going to language school with pregnancy in this country? Who were called up Benedict language course here? Say you have children. Your children don't reach the time when they tell you go Gidaganti. If you put them for Gidaganti, if they don't get one, go leave small baby for and go school. Do something that will make your man to follow your way. If to say you think you are too intelligent more than him. Do something where you make the man follow your way. I bet you don't know say woman they also they change man. We go see progress for your life. You will be challenged to emulate good thing. No. Enogie does not have paper to work in Germany, and that paper is Mama Nora that will bring it out if she start to work. Yeah. I know say social they give you money, but it will not continue. Even if you don't work to bring Enogie paper out, the truth of the matter is that you will still work to collect your paper because your paper never strong. Or we can work on most Banjama will do magic. You watch it. If magic is so good, they will give you fiction behind a green paper.
Green paper.
You people should go and be using yourself. What is all this? When people see you in the street, they think you are enjoying, they even want to emulate and follow such a life. What is that?
Hey, check this Dubai blogger, Salama, how he he with his husband met.
Follow the right way, my darling people.
The man
follow it the right way.
Marry
They can entertain you when you upgrade me. I'm at a man is why you're going to do everything that they can do.
We not go to pass our mama. Oh, Mama Shine, you can say that again.
Even when Mama Nora is working, Enogie will be going to school. I heard from one of my videos today say I will call somebody may come go school, which is Enogie. You don't go. Enogie. That's the way I will call you may you go where you don't go. You are going to pay with your money when time comes. Because they will pay. Then call you may you can't go now, they will pay for it. Mommy about a saga for a live video.
Okay. She used mask to wash them, not be small. She used mask to wash them.
Saga go finish for live video. Mama Nora will be working while you will be going to school. Now true now they tell you so because immediately you start working. Then why are you permanent to them will not buy opportunity when Mama Nora go take the work why are exchanging more. All families are doing these things when I tell you so. Somebody say, Mr. Lawa don't start school. He's going to school so that he can be able. He don't work. She has been working in this country. The number of years to collect her permanent. She has a BS of good nana. Or when back budget BS now the egg to a basin. I'm basin do ya pass now you go take collect permanent. So you need to concentrate for that school. If you know collect permanent, you know collect passports for this country. Make it leave saga you go concentrate on your more your BS in your tea or this. Go do integration course join her. That is the requirement they require from you. So if person they tell me say baby no they let person do something, me and I know they believe. I know they believe because me when you see for here I born for hospital. I born for hospital the next day I wrote my BS in this country. That was it not like that? When I wrote my BS. Yeah. How was it? Of Daisy. I give birth for hospital. I stay 3 days for hospital. I did read for my exam where I want to go write. Then discharge me for hospital. I reach out now to write my BS 215. Because I don't do A1, do A2. It was not the stage of BS. I born, just imagine I born for hospital, then discharge me so what? Or another discharge the hospital. Total exam and BS in Verona. So what will you tell me to say or more or whatever? You might understand. A pregnancy is put throughout. You get a baby BS in me. I get picking when I do my B2 for this country. When I go my urban gymnasium, I was having my children. Even walking.
He said
the resources where you just get now, I be Enogie.
He said
Enogie resources. If to say you say Enogie, say you don't do
many are doing they do that. Obis done. Cro is doing sharap.
Now the resources. Where someone I don't know where hear you.
Cro what brag what brag give una.
Make people enter in and sacrifice for your family. It's not a bad thing. If you sacrifice for your family, it's your children that will enjoy it. Friday. Whatever sacrifice that you sacrifice now for Enogie, your children and they can enjoy all of them. Because again, in life, everything will change. A Facebook is not a guarantee for anybody.
How?
Which guarantee the Facebook? A Facebook will not do. That is why you see, or you not turn into your main business when your partner you turn to a fool outside.
How?
Big fool. All money and doing him is streets.
He said this clock can fly for
you will not be doing more than yourself.
She has to ask Kokobiri to confirm her so that people will say
you are supposed to be upgrading yourself.
So that I go believe.
Be doing something that will encourage a woman, that will make a woman want to say yes. If you know begging away, they no, they will know so that it can calm down. Upgrade the buwa. If you know what's the problem with Nora, you people are not doing the right thing. You are just inside the house. You need page na kiwa If you know that we page away never fana. You need to work for Enogie to get paper. This is the reality. Page here. The page you may say Nora. Those pages are enough. Do the grand one.
Hey, Baba. Oh. Hey. This matter I go long.
Nowhere when you go where they will tell you, say, Mama Nora page don't reach 5. Oh yeah, come and take the right thing you need in your ass. It's not a security for your family in this abroad because you don't have. I bet you just think, say, because
Sister
you don't get
Florence,
people,
they
you
confirm her for her.
Enogie can be deported or anywhere, even if they carry and go as, you don't come in. Do you know the when your body no get anywhere your family near?
Yes, hello, boy.
Nobody is completely useless in this life. I go my very well because we NB. If you born one age, you go just what they are you born.
Hey.
Oh, you're not paying no my is your born one of what is Nora. I will boje now. She mentality where we
I call her mortality. You are one of your mortality with you.
You people should learn to appreciate the little things.
If your maternity well away.
This when they feel for person, appreciate it.
Well,
I don't like greedy people. We know they feel they appreciate even the small thing. I won't wear your rain with my day. Wait, be say the one way day your front that you can really appreciate and work with.
once Enogie leave her, he might become serious with his life, I believe. Okay. Maybe. You are
Very
right.
wrong.
Maternity. Oh, return on the nitrates.
You come to a stage wait, they say it's no longer right what you people are doing on Facebook. You say it's just a pity. Yes, why that team every time? Every time had a wrong point, 1.75. Why is your yamu been in the boba? That should be a reason the both of you need to be ashamed of yourselves. Now don't go settle a fight one day. You don't hear saying and the wife they cry one, they fight one day, they'll constantly you can settle.
I bet make una thumbs up the video for me. Make una thumbs up. People,
Mama Nora put some sense into your
thumbs up, like and love the
you
video.
will brain because your own not just good. Maybe that's not the discussion for TikTok that they tell me I say this new money where they want to start to be give single mother so like that for you, right? If you don't come out to remove your address for that, they'll start to give you that money. You said the no more and be
Yeah.
a dollar I put on one on web on revenue too. In the end, we mean we
Matter. Mortality.
in the end, we when I put this kind of marriage for ground, when I just allow, I don't like people who are not strong.
Oh.
Some people, you really need to be strong. Everything you carry, follow that thing you did do. So your own be say they don't pay your. See, now when they pay your bride price, then you just a cost like that. Nora. You are not one go to one over you when you don't. Oh, what things who what these things? My darling sister. Don't be me and
you.
One woman, someone that for me. That's why you are seeing all those sweet things when you see for street. If not, not possible. African man. You see, what's your bonnet? Since we never be the same again. Every number, go and ask.
Ask who? Say you know the
question. Why do you run with a bono that for me?
Say man, go ask.
I'm always settle down to explain him and woman in my life. I don't go like try.
Oh, now Mama Nora and Enogie, you fi food yourself like this so. Hell.
Hey, damn, Nora. That's the way you do. I bebo Enogie unwe na momo. Not try again. Absolute rubbish. What is that? Who's what? What's that? If you say that man will get sisters, you can say sisters will just look you like
love and like,
my darling.
Love and like the video, please.
Monama Coco, na be that one. Only after Monama Coco.
Yeah.
Which woman for this Facebook? We believe me, ma believe in me. Telling me, yes, a guy will say, "Mama, me ma believe you live video present a parable."
Thank you, my beautiful queen, Filian. Thank you so much, man.
What is that?
God bless.
My darling, am I walking?
Yes, I
no concept because 12 now. Ubege no see me so 12 na say because we are the do wa. Awa bini me no dey tolerate am. Iyan bi me law not try me tie go message. So when me ije na because he marry over here no we do tie no that for me. I might down with you know no be lie.
I want
to try one day. I
want to know.
Why do I don't even understand? I don't get mad why I'll explain something.
Many for social media return
this is where I wanted the sultan.
I want to know.
Oh, me, why we minimum like
Coco Piri no be your two no kototo. I want to know. I want to find that now.
I know for me, it do explain. Even now, I want to know. I also need to understand. Okay, and I'm papa no that way you mind me how since you know they apologize.
Talk too cheap. Evidence is everything. I want to find that now.
Why? You know, right? Every time I cost that way, but to me, they are.
I want to know the cost for Piri return wrong crocro.
You said go see wrong person, you don't go even to say because you wrong person, you even say I'm sorry.
Why use
I'm sorry every day the marriage is supposed to be inside.
Why use Mama Nora take from big girls, big respect, best way get respect. Oh, we don't know that they beat Kokobiri for say now. We don't know that. Nah, boss now.
Nobody should allow that pride to crime them. A pride is down in him. That will not be better pride though. When you born for crocro, they beat you. Pride doesn't.
We don't know that.
Oh, you give me what you're telling me. Don't do
that. We don't know. I want to know. We know that we know.
My husband won't drive reach almost 5 kilometers or 6 kilometers away today when I tell the member say soup when I pay for this thing. If you move your telling you want more if freeze say anytime I want to bring my children back in no lalo because people will do it as they like to cook our African food like that. I don't reach far where I tell the member say I don't forget my soup. You understand? My husband need to turn back. You have to say, no, who be because now you go reach here, now you go park, now you go jump, then I say, climb upstairs, go bring that thing come for you. He go do one for you in a very nice way. You just need no room. I live Nora. Not be because of say, I get paper, I get this one. It's not like that, my darling. You pride before. Sometimes if you are in Enogie life, they look you. I'll shake my head. Why
you not come correct her?
That is a Babiala kind of.
Why you not come advise her before now? Now said you call it talker. Shame. Social media friendship na scam. Social media friendship na scam, guys. Scam. You don't notice all this one, but you didn't know how to tell her.
I like people where they take advice. That's why you see me sometimes. It will be very hard for me to really get involved in some kind of stuff.
God forbid.
Very hard and very difficult. What is this? Shame. What kind of saga is this one?
Oh. Wow, the woto. Friendship
no
of eye service.
Who are born as Nora? Because now you drag this one. Come
so they do.
You should not do this kind of thing. What fuck up?
Oh, wow.
My darling, fuck up, be. To go back to all your past video you know with TikTok.
I don't love her like. Love her like.
Disappointing me, my darling. Honestly, you disappoint me. You're not just good. You see that one where you can't talk. You even shock my husband. My husband watch it video way. When anybody will want shock me, come. When you only here, who want me where do talk?
Are you see inside? Salo boy. We don't use brother.
Anybody not be say anybody with paper get paper now in the world. This is the truth. They know they go and join your wife to look for work. Go back to join book. Don't think about to say, I want to meet another woman. I want to do why the right thing say one problem.
Okay.
Okay, try it. This character, what if you are your way to say I want to use it to marry another woman, I want to use it to marry another man, and see if you guys will even can be able to stay together.
Now saga should they saga them or not be small saga?
The way we job is woman fear
opportunity na saga she saga them will not be lie my lady. Mama Kelly, God bless you, ma. Na saga be this na pure one. Pure one. So a pure saga now.
Anywhere you really are here when another woman, Enogie, you have to know the truth inside your mind. Or for a parent, not like we are naming a way when Enogie. Can matter to not book over the only time we have a video like this. Why? You have to. Or when do not when your Facebook not buy, why is your ure? Even if one number the strength in you as a man. No, set it the family, the financially no cost any winner. All your a sense of security no go. Security. Now they give woman. So say, okay, this is my husband, somebody like me. Now school at this, so because I know that I am secure. Yeah, even don't so die me.
For sure.
The husband, wait, you say, if you get in the school, we are upgraded baby now. If to say, I'm wait, they say, oh, hearing no what's on me, but the politics, okay, one no, what's on me now, totally one night. So, how is the family being going to be secure?
Well, it said that their life history finish.
When person they think about, we concern, if I have big busy the web. If to say, Nora need to have been working right some time. One of my orientation why via roll out this way.
This not saga. You wash them.
If you look at me very well, me personally, many Rita, not be saying I even joke. Or my name when I'm like him. If my name in Facebook, you know, if you are following me, you know. I know they are done, they talk for my life video every day. Man like him and he being over. Why? Because the mentality, no, it's not only because of money, the mentality is to egg your hand do so
You say not get paper. Mama Filian, you say not get paper.
Your own, and then you just enter Germany, you come go to Germany,
you go school.
Not be this Germany, you go suffer without man.
Now you can get yourself system.
I mean, you go suffer. Only a matter raw.
You don't the professor.
My sister was to say,
they go suffer.
The one where you want to know give you this share for his ass. For you get the way before you. Yes, maybe it's your quietness that you want to have, you want to live alone, you want to be doing your things. It's okay. But while you're begging me, because every stage of life gets in you wahala.
That's so.
Every stage of life, you get in problem where they follow and they go. A stage of life, you are saving and go work more. Oh, you understand to say. Maybe in the nearest 5 years or 6 years to say no.
It's one opportunity. She used the opportunity to say saga the way sha.
It was just ignorance.
But why all the pretense of friendship then?
Not because the man was not good. Most women who are single mother today, relationships started because of ignorance. Ignorant was like why we taking ignorant, reluctant to do the right thing, not accepting your fault and your mistake. Or why problem in over for no reason.
So and
children suffer the consequences of the young dragon for no reason.
Hi God. Hi God. Hi dear.
How do you think? Even why saga all this one, all of them are happy. Honestly, one at a moment say we why spread your bed very well.
You see people where they not get saga, you see all of them are happy.
You know use sense for this one. Because they have to be for my woman in my way or when it had big. Honestly, you're making one more and in my hair like
Meaning mama Nora sense.
That's why don't get sense no good when me not the character. Even me yaw awa because they here what day here kalo no.
But they are your friends. You are Mama Nora mentor, according to her. You are not denying her.
Just imagine,
you are not denying Mama Nora because their shame and disgrace is outside. Rita, what kind of friend are you? Yeah. Oh, wow.
We cannot read meanings to things. We know this to say this thing when I want to do so when I do this, what is it going to
do? He don't denounce them fast, sharply.
This one when I want to do so, if I do this one, what is it going to lead to? I want to see when I'm doing
who
are related to one with problem, who want feed you, what do I narrate your family and your marital life, who are narrating
friendship follow them. Hey, God, though. I mean, no go, mama, no go. I mean, no go, mama, no go.
Me other men to listen to.
I mean, no go, mama, no go. When the going get tough, some people will fall apart.
What is that?
Life. Hey. Social media friendship.
If you listen to Mama Nora video,
among presents and a scam. They're not the.
This might possibly be the last time when I will talk to Unamata because it really hurt me, my darling people.
Hey.
It was difficult for me, very difficult, honestly, very difficult. This is actually the first time. I don't like him.
Now what? Now what for why I wrote the social media paddies them?
Are those children just small rich? All of them are just like quadruplets. If you need.
So it's like quadruplets. How do I call her?
You can actually be doing your saga on Facebook while you are building your life.
Is that what you are trying to tell us? They're broke. Yeah.
No, it's not a weakness. It's a strength. That's what they call strength.
Hypocrisy, menu for this social media. Pretense.
It's not weakness at all. It's a very big strength.
Fakeness.
To be able to also be shouldering people who are shouldering you and carrying your life. Now you the programmer. Let me program give me a program me nobody. Now me they decide when I want to do saga. Now me go decide.
Who they call me? Oh, this thing don't fall. Who is calling my line? Hello? Okay, may I put her for speaker?
Okay, now if you put up a speaker.
Okay, we dey hear you. We dey hear you. Go ahead.
That woman where they talk is trying to play intelligence. All the thing where no get don't do it before. Now they use sense, they revenge, put they said them. Because you know say she don't there for your mama side now. So this one an opportunity for her where you go take part, go your mama where
God
you
bless
go later them Enogie.
God bless you.
Because everything where no go don't do it before where they belle. Now they answer to.
Yes.
Nobody say they okay, all this advice. Nobody say country he day, she day.
Now the same journey the day.
This advice make no get paper. Why you not tell the woman the way go pass, make give your husband paper.
Okay.
Now you want give them advice.
Okay.
And then they go out and say.
Hey, we finished them.
Now you want give advice now not be their friend because he knows it's every open and no way. I you know ya it's no kwa. So she he don't the same way now where you go take go your mama side, then go later Enogie because your mama and them Enogie they know they agree. So this one opportunity. Then they come perform say advice and saga. Now you want deceive. Now you want deceive.
Jesus.
I think everybody join money they go to.
I just fire. Strategy. Now she tell you smart saga there. This one a saga.
He just said that their life history. I pity Enogie. And I know get sense so they beat woman here. Now I know get sense.
Hey.
I know some people can you see day body best. Now I know get true. Why our boys they suffer for Igbo and for abroad? No, because paper.
Yes.
Oh, Igbo go use there.
Yes.
Oh, Igbo go use there. They go leave their man, leave their vineyards, that Germany. Okay, why you not go lick your wife or may still give her paper?
Okay.
May wife go, not the woman where they try, that woman go make sacrifice, may go work, may take give her paper.
Okay.
So we are not every day. I'll go work, go give her paper. That will not go happen now.
Now not be like.
One way you responsible, now you woman they carry rapper go tie and say this my husband. I go must do for her.
Make the sacrifice.
I see Jay. Okay, you see them now. The play where see they follow social media, what they call themselves. The play not still fake. Now they not get see they follow the man they play.
Now make now the woman is Now you go my expose. Now you go my expose. Give the Murphy. Where make her fight. Where make the fight.
Now the same saga, which is called technical saga.
God bless you.
Level. Technical saga. Now the same technical saga. Now I don't see the saga Enogie for that side and the wife for that side.
Okay.
And you still listen to their talk, the way when they talk. No, big mina.
You're big mina. Okay.
But here we you boy. I'm a fake friend. Now the only one person wait for this social media where me as say no they do fake friend. Now you and another one person, I don't want to mention your name.
Okay.
I beg you.
Thank you, my lady. God bless you.
Oh. Let me be Audrey something I don't want to mention her finish.
Audrey Kelly.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, God bless you, my beautiful lady. God bless you. Thank you. USA. Oh, God bless. Well, the era. Now, strategy, if I style, if I watch the finish, read this one with so much. I said talk about, I said this saga, this talk now is coming from bitterness and revenge. Rita watched the finish Enogie and a wife. Wait till Enogie fed Zuan, where Enogie day Monica's side. Where Enogie was looking for a way to saga her, throwing mad to her. It was Ubuyeke that was preventing him not to do it. She's revenging on all those things right now. She never liked them. They never liked themselves. Fake relationship. Fake friendship where they do. Where not they get. I don't know reason why. After all, nobody's paying your bill. Why do you need to fake it? Just to be close to person. What for? Why the fakeness? God, I beg. Go more continue.
Yes, you are 9 years in Germany. You don't have A1. You don't have A2. You don't have B1. Enogie, who carried school before. Who does that? That one is not the character of a person who carries school. That is the character of a stark illiterate in normal high school day.
Hey!
You don't even know the importance.
Hey! Another year. He said that technical saga. He said that stark illiterate. Hey!
This country. Immediately they enter this country. You see, all these things would have brought out your documents. I'm not joking, I'm telling you the reality.
Mommy Kelly.
Because you don't know, but this is how it is.
How?
You see that A1, immediately you get the certificate, you go to get your document, whether they treat and you go submit them there. They'll be watching you. They are watching your relevancy in the country.
Hey.
When German deport one useless person, they bring out. When they deport 5 useless person, they replace it with one professional or one no. This is what they do to their country. No one in my yard did my to tie.
How?
Yes. You get your A2, you go there, you go and submit the certificate for them. I got it already. You get your B1, you go and submit the certificate for them. No, they will not want to deport you. Never. Your paper for them will come out. Even ordinary alumnus, I don't know what they call it. They would have given it to you since from there you drop your payslip. This time around it's not like that. A law change in Enogie. When you fight this way that I am telling you, and you get your paper. Who will be asking for after how many years in the journey with baby mama for everywhere children? That's correct ignorance. When you say just look at you, look at it, look at you, just like this. Ignorance is the only thing standing in between.
Oh!
Do you even know that even without Mama Nora, you can get your document Enogie if you do the right thing? You don't even need Mama Nora at this stage to get documents.
Oh, mommy.
Because you don't know.
Yeah, welcome back. Oh, the beating, You
don't know this process I'm telling you about. You just need to follow it. Without Mama Nora, you get your document.
Payback. Woto. They never like themselves. Rita never liked them.
That,
you call them all kinds of names. Illiterate, ignorance, all
terrible.
kinds of names. Senseless.
It's just terrible that
measure it.
People believe in Gaga more than the real deal.
Yeah. He's overfeeding load Enogie and wife. My people, Let's say don't finish.
You understand?
Okay, never finish.
So that is it. Somebody just say
Yeah,
you need to
baby,
build
you
your
are
life, your documents, your credit in this country. Anyway, the Facebook payslip will not build all those things for you.
Hell.
That is the reason why you have even supposed to started since. Why
Why you not tell them for inside house?
Yes, Enogie.
Why you can't keep all these things? You can't pour them out with the time where they are shame and disgrace. They are vulnerable time. They are shame and disgrace. They full aside. What kind of a friend are you? Friend enemy. Now be this one. Friend enemy. You will know the truth. You don't want to tell your friend. Until they fail totally. You are not using it to beat them outside. What you could not tell them inside. You are not using it to beat them outside. The moment their shame and disgrace fall out, you find it. This is the right time to use it and to bulala and to finish their reputation. Then why were you pretending? You used to praise them, you used to lick them, you used to adore them, you never told them that their ignorance are big. You never told them that they are empty. You never told them their shortcomings. You never told them, that they don't know what they are doing. God have mercy, no chai. Hey, wait.
These are the foundations. I mean, the foundations in
Yo, Angela John, my beautiful lady.
You are just wasting your...
Angela John, you are welcome. Good evening, my beautiful lady. You are just coming. Maybe you have been here since. Maybe you have been here, you didn't comment. You are welcome, mommy. Ew. Now, wow, what are friends for? True friendship. There's no point faking it. There's no need. Hey, why faking it? Is that person the hair you breathe? Why are you faking it? Who you don't like, why will you go close to them? Why will you be pretending alongside with them? You say they are very greedy. They are very rude. They are very mannerless. They are this, they are that. But you kept all this inside of you and be shining teeth with them, opening teeth with them, laughing with them, praise. You see life? See life? God. God will save us anyway. God will help us.
After you have wasted all those things, you go and do the right thing. Hey. I'm telling you the truth because I know what I'm telling you.
Yeah. Their vulnerable time.
If social media is distracting.
Now so-called friend. Now I call mama they pass people who don't even like them. Now who claim who like them? I call mama they tell that their life history wash them with mouth for outside. Who not even like them, not even do like this. Hey. Wow. The Rita na yeye woman. This Rita na yeye woman. Very yeyelization. I am bitter soul. Unforgiving idiots. Say that cow, she just they pretend. She's just pretending. Because of social media. Because of other presenters. She's bitter about that one too. She's just faking it. Hey, the way we go sex, we will hear many. The way we are hearing plenty so.
That's why you need to use sense when you are doing it. You use your brain. Use your brain when you are doing it. I will need a video where concentrating your waist now.
Please don't like and love. I'm about to close. Like and love the video, my people. If you have been watching through the video, please come inside and like and love. I beg of you.
Their own is just, it's different from you. I mean, okay, then they have done their life, they have done their great.
Mama Shai say, what is the difference here with defending Sarah? Ask me. Ask me, Mama. Ask me, my adorable lady. No difference, if you ask me. Hey! I say social media friendship na scam. I'm more present and a scam, they don't believe. Na scam, me where your day my day. Like who I like, love who I love from afar. I know what they do. Because na scam. Angela said a fake friendship. Okay. Let's finish it. It just remains seconds to finish.
Are you fighting with credit in the bank?
Ew.
Their own is different from you entirely. Having out here now, we're preaching it on my live video. I don't need to mention names at times because of what big problem now. A lot of people are passing through it. Very many. So you do an umbrella topic for everybody.
Like and love.
This is the reality, Enogie.
Like and love, guys.
Nora, is your second name.
He said, Mama Nora now. No mark by man for war. Nice. He finish these people. The way they talk, they do me for me. I don't understand. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Worry Enogie say worry and not die say worry la jam is to yari magmo.
Hi.
Worry how we feel say Enogie, worry how woman was Enogie, and you are not even doing anything to even change the situation your own.
Hell.
According to the standard of the country, no one will she. We not to we need we.
What my you need be? What an insult.
Valerie, I remember people, let me leave you guys.
How?
I hope you people are able to find peace in while the right thing. Enogie, even white Talomagmo will be.
Hey. Yo.
Somebody say me watching social media, I showed my driving license to 18. Social media know how to deconcentrate you. It will take you behind the world.
That's all life be.
Me na social media presenter. I dey true saga also. But when it comes to my study, nobody can. You don't even know what I've been doing inside the house this morning. Maybe I don't have.
Oh, sit down, me. You shut up your dirty mouth for that side, crocro. Eh? Shut up your dirty mouth. You say you don't know what they do for inside. All that's what you they talk to. You know what they are doing. You think it's everybody that love to come and announce themselves on social media. Some people, it's not their nature to be lousy about their private life. Some people, they keep their own thing low key, private. Privacy is their kind of person. You where they diagnose people with sickness, men looking from afar from camera. You they diagnose them. We don't know say you carry sickness for the way they battle with for more than 12 years. Assumption keep by your head. Scrocro. You don't know what I'll be doing in this house. You where they call that say they're not going to they do. Are you in their home? So the extent you say you they diagnose who not get man, who not they do a care, who not they fuck. Are you in their home? Do you know what they do, what their private lives look like? Do you know what they do with their private life? Apart from they come online, you see them. If they go off, do you know what they do? Crocro. It didn't all the video where Lolo they beat you. And they come for you. I got the time. Don't you come back for my enjoyment. I am coming from you. I am coming for you. All those 1 week, I'll be 7 days, I'll be 8 days where I can relax and enjoy myself. I don't see resume duty. Because I don't feel use now to disturb my own. Hell. Cannot use somebody else to disturb my own. My enjoyment, I know they use and play with anybody. Except my lover say, oh yeah, mommy love, show face, I they miss you. I can do that. Say for nyama person like you. And some of you now. Some of them, all this social media, whatever. No. When I get inside for a purpose. Rita, you don't know what you were about saying that what you do in your home. Nobody knows. So you don't know others' own. That you be diagnosing them from afar. This one get sickness. This one they sick. This one depressed. This one not they see a care. This one not they do bola. This one and your life you they describe. You think it's everybody that will come and be announcing themselves on social media. Do you know what social media is? Social media is the whole world. What you want to let out, you let out. What you don't want to let out, you keep it to yourself. That's what social media is. Who get mad to pursue fly? Now they look on. Now who they look on one pursue. Oh. And she projected that fibroid or Monica. Meanwhile, she knew she have it 12 years ago. God bless you, ma. God bless you, ma. That is the point. This is who she is. Projecting things that is on her life on people. Yeah? That is wickedness. That is witchcraft. Can you be projecting what is on your life on people? She even said to me, she said, me, I know they take spam, my people. She said, I know they take spam. And now when she tell her story, she was the one that lacked spam. She was the one that kidnapped spam from a junkie. She always puts her life on people. The garments of negativity that is on her life, she like to pull it and want to put it on others. God forbid. Amanya wa say, ye no go me. Wow. My adorables, God bless you all. 4 hours. Now this video just lasts. I want to especially appreciate everyone that will stay put. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's not easy. Thank you all so much. Thank you all from the depth of my heart. God bless you all for watching. Thank you a million times. I can't thank enough. I really appreciate. Yeah, now what should they see on single mothers? Okay. Which kind of hair spam should they take? Oh, see me, oh. Lady Candy, see me, oh. She begin from Germany. They look me from Spain. See, I know they take spam. See, I know even they sick bola for ISF. Huh? But if you put me with Andan, I'm senior by her by age. Far as senior. I'm far as senior. Where? But if you put me with her for grant, they go feel say she be my grandmama. They go feel say me I be 22 years or even 19 years old. Her years 25. They go give me 25 years old. But she said I know they see spam, I know even they see bola. Huh? It is where. Kokobiri uncircumcised pollute spam. She says now everybody go down low to the collect water way not good. Kokobiri water not good without being told. The show for her body say not good. If you take better water, you're fresh, you're fine. You not go wrinkle on time. Spam is life. My mama shine. Spam is life. See me see wahala. She will claim say she they take. See her life. See her physique. Me where she project say you know they take. I bet mona see me. I see me oh. I see me oh. No spam oh, but see me oh. Huh? God bless you now, Jare. I will be back in less than 11. I'll be back in less than 20 minutes. Just want to go take something in the kitchen and come back for another episode. God bless you all really good. Thank you so much. Lovely, amazing people. I appreciate. Bye for now. Cheers. Thank you all.